A very good day and welcome to a new video. Today I'd like to show you how to reset the service on an A-Class W168, model year 2001. Yeah, it's pretty easy once you know how to do it, so yeah. Short and sweet video, let's go.
Quick heads up before the video starts. Don't be surprised about the quality differences between the videos we upload. Sometimes one will be good quality, other times it'll be poorer. One that's poor quality because we're uploading new and old car tutorial videos at the same time, but we've improved and recut the older ones, since a lot of the footage needed fixing and we wanted to bring them up to our current standards. What was unnecessary was cut out. And they're now being uploaded one after another. So, go ahead and hit subscribe so you don't miss a video, and I'd say let's get back to the video.
We'll need this button here, turn the ignition on, press here once, twice, ignition off, keep it pressed, and ignition back on. That brings the service first to 730 and then up to 20,000. Now, you really have to do this whole thing quite quickly, so I will explain it one more time. Ignition on, press the button twice, ignition off, press the button, and ignition on. And then keep it pressed the whole time until the signal tone sounds. In that case, it won't do it anymore because the service has already been reset. And yeah, it's that easy, guys. Quick, short video as you could see. Otherwise, just comment below which other cars we should reset the service on. And if this maybe helped you out, or if you liked it, leave a sub, give it a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.